Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of log cabin homes. If you've ever dreamed of living in a cozy, elegant retreat surrounded by nature, you're in the right place. Log cabins are not just homes, they are a lifestyle choice that embodies warmth, comfort, and a connection to the great outdoors. So, let's dive in and discover what makes log cabin homes so special. Log cabin architecture is a unique blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. The primary materials used in these homes are logs, which provide excellent insulation and durability. When designing a log cabin, it's crucial to consider the orientation of the structure to maximize natural light and views. Large windows and open floor plans are popular features that enhance the spacious feel of the interior. Additionally, incorporating natural elements like stone and wood can create a harmonious balance between the cabin and its surroundings. Selecting the right type of logs is fundamental to the construction of a log cabin. Different species of wood offer varying aesthetics and durability. For instance, cedar and pine are popular choices due to their natural resistance to decay and insects. It's essential to consider the climate of your location, as this can affect the longevity of the logs. Additionally, the size and shape of the logs can influence the overall design, so be sure to choose logs that align with your vision for your dream cabin. A well-thought-out floor plan is key to creating a functional and inviting log cabin. Open-concept designs are favored for their ability to create a sense of spaciousness and flow between rooms. Consider incorporating multifunctional spaces that can adapt to your lifestyle needs. For example, a combined living and dining area can be perfect for entertaining guests. Additionally, think about the placement of bedrooms and bathrooms to ensure privacy and convenience for all occupants. Natural light plays a vital role in enhancing the ambience of a log cabin. Strategically placed windows can brighten up the interior and provide breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Skylights are another fantastic option to consider, as they allow sunlight to flood in from above. When designing your cabin, aim for a balance between natural light and privacy. This can be achieved by using frosted glass or strategically positioning windows to maintain a cozy atmosphere. The roof style of your log cabin can significantly impact its overall aesthetic and functionality. Gable roofs are popular for their classic look and effective water drainage, while hip roofs offer a more modern appearance and added stability. Consider the climate in your area when selecting a roof style, as certain designs may perform better in heavy snowfall or high winds. Additionally, incorporating overhangs can provide shade and protection from the elements, enhancing the longevity of your cabin. When it comes to interior design, log cabins offer a unique canvas to work with. Embrace the natural beauty of the logs by keeping the interior decor simple and rustic. Use earthy tones and natural materials to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating vintage or handmade furniture can add character and charm to your space. Don't forget to include cozy textiles like wool blankets and plush rugs to enhance comfort and warmth. Embracing sustainable practices ensures that your log cabin is both beautiful and eco-friendly. The landscaping around your log cabin can enhance its beauty and create a seamless connection with nature. Consider using native plants that require minimal maintenance and are well suited to your local climate. Pathways made of natural stone or wood can lead visitors to your cabin, creating an inviting entrance. Additionally, incorporating outdoor living spaces such as decks or patios can provide areas for relaxation and entertainment while enjoying the stunning views. An outdoor space is an extension of your log cabin and should reflect the same warmth and charm. consider adding comfortable seating areas, fire pits, or outdoor kitchens to create a welcoming environment for gatherings. Embrace the natural surroundings by incorporating elements like wooden benches or stone features that blend seamlessly with the landscape. In today's world, incorporating smart home technology into your log cabin can enhance convenience and security. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, and security cameras can be easily integrated into your design. These features not only provide comfort but can also help you monitor and manage your cabin remotely. Embracing technology doesn't mean sacrificing the rustic charm of your log cabin. Instead, it can complement the overall design and functionality. Proper maintenance is crucial to preserving the beauty and integrity of your log cabin. Regular inspections for signs of wear, such as cracks or insect damage, can help you address issues before they become significant problems. Cleaning the exterior and applying protective finishes can enhance the longevity of the logs. Additionally, keeping gutters clear and ensuring proper drainage around the cabin can prevent water damage and maintain the structural integrity of your home. One of the joys of owning a log cabin is experiencing the beauty of each season. Embrace seasonal changes by decorating your cabin to reflect the time of year. In the fall, consider adding warm colors and cozy textiles, while winter can be enhanced with festive decorations and warm lighting. Flank the entrance with beautiful flower beds or potted plants to add color and life. A rustic bench or a couple of rocking chairs can provide a cozy spot to sit and enjoy the view. Don't forget to incorporate outdoor lighting to illuminate the path and create a warm ambience during the evenings. One of the best aspects of outdoor design for log cabins is the opportunity to incorporate natural elements. Use native plants that thrive in your area to create a harmonious landscape. Consider adding a small pond or a water feature to attract wildlife and provide a serene atmosphere. Natural wood elements, such as log benches or tree stump tables, can enhance the rustic charm of your outdoor space. Remember, the goal is to blend your cabin seamlessly with the surrounding nature. Creating outdoor living spaces is essential for enjoying the beauty of nature. Think about adding a deck or a patio where you can relax, dine, or entertain guests. Furnish these areas with comfortable seating, a dining table, and perhaps a fire pit for those chilly evenings. A pergola or a gazebo can provide shade and shelter, making your outdoor space usable in various weather conditions. This way, you can enjoy the great outdoors while still having the comforts of home. An outdoor kitchen can elevate your log cabin experience to a whole new level. Imagine cooking and dining al fresco while surrounded by nature. Incorporate a grill, a sink, and ample counter space for food preparation. You can also add a bar area for entertaining guests. Make sure to include storage for utensils and supplies, and consider a roof or awning to protect your kitchen from the elements. This functional space will surely become the heart of your outdoor gatherings. No outdoor space is complete without a cozy gathering area. A fire pit is a fantastic addition to your log cabin's exterior, providing warmth and a focal point for socializing. Surround the fire pit with comfortable seating, such as Adirondack chairs or benches, to create an inviting atmosphere. This space is perfect for roasting marshmallows, sharing stories, or simply enjoying the starry night sky. Make sure to have safety measures in place, such as a fire extinguisher or a water source nearby. Landscaping is not just about aesthetics, it can also serve practical purposes. Use shrubs and trees to create privacy screens or windbreaks around your cabin. Consider planting flowers that attract pollinators, enhancing the ecological balance of your outdoor space. Implement rainwater harvesting systems to irrigate your garden and reduce water usage. Native plants require less maintenance and are better suited to the local climate, making them a sustainable choice. By incorporating these practices, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that respects and preserves the natural environment. To keep your outdoor space fresh and inviting, consider seasonal decor and maintenance. In the spring, plant vibrant flowers and add colorful cushions to your outdoor furniture. In the fall, incorporate pumpkins and autumn leaves for a cozy touch. Embrace the changing seasons and let your outdoor design evolve throughout the year. In conclusion, outdoor design for log cabins offers endless possibilities for creativity and personalization. By incorporating welcoming entrances, natural elements, functional spaces, and sustainable practices, you can create an outdoor oasis that complements your log cabin beautifully. Remember to draw inspiration from your surroundings and let your unique style shine through. With these ideas, you're well on your way to designing an outdoor space that you and your loved ones will cherish for years to come. And as always, thanks for watching, and for more videos like these, check out our website,